Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a realistic TR-883 recording deck. This comes from Tom in Tryon, North Carolina. Thank you so much, Tom, for your business from clear across the country. North Carolina is quite a distance from Arizona, and so we just repaired this to original stock, and so let's pop a tape in to make sure it works before we send her back.
Come on, baby, let's kiss and make up. Let's go steady until all my dreams will get done. Just like you. Stay by me. I don't care till the dreamer dies. Now.
Okay, that takes care of that. There's just not that much to test on a home unit. We don't have a Bluetooth and virtual balance and faders and stuff like that, so she's ready to go back. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and from the home page of that website, please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because my work order has all my options, prices, and turn times right there in front of you, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone if you do want to call me, to get to know me and trust me. That's fine too, but please do the research before calling me with a bunch of questions. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Tom, for your business all the way from North Carolina. And this is Barry's 8-Track Repair video number 1200. So that's a pretty cool milestone. So thanks for watching and listening. See you next time.